Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. It really helps out the channel a ton. So today's product I want to share with you is great for the outdoors. Summer is just around the corner, and this is a really awesome splash pad. So it is by a company called Wostoo, and it is, I'm going to include a link in the description that'll take you to Amazon. So you can check out to see if it's on sale, with the current price point, all that information. But once you order it, it's going to arrive in this little box right here. And as you can see right on the box, it is meant for kids that are 18 months or older, but not just kids. So you can also, it's going to work great for those little furry pets of yours. I can tell you right now, in my household, my son is going to love this in the summer, but also my dog, because he loves the sprinklers. He loves running through that. And this is going to be exciting fun for him. He's going to have a blast with it. So what makes this particular splash pad kind of unique? First off, the size. It is 68 inches across, so it's got a nice big size pad. And I'm going to show you this all in action here very, very shortly, but I want to cover some of the basic items first. So once you open it up, obviously, you're going to get a little kind of instruction sheet of how to maintain it. And then you're going to get this little bag. It's going to include a vinyl plastic repair patch in case it does get a hole in it. Instructions are on the back side. It's going to include an extra spare washer. And it's going to include a spare hose nozzle if you need this. Then, of course, you're going to get the splash pad itself. So here it is. And like I said, you're going to see a better view of this very shortly here when we go outside. But it's got this kind of double waving liner here on the ends. They made this a little bit thicker, so where the water is, it's a little bit harder to puncture, which is important. And then it's all made of basically a high-density PVC material, which is, once again, going to help with puncture. As you can see right here is where you're going to hook up your hose. And then there are the little holes in here that are going to squirt water, and then you've got these right here too. So, and then finally, another thing I want to kind of cover here on the back side is there's this quick kind of like release plug, which will allow you to drain the water out of it. And one will keep water from being trapped in there, and then two, another reason it'll keep you from kind of puncturing it when you're trying to store it. Because it's going to allow all that air and everything to get out of here. So that's kind of nice that it has this little quick outlet on the back. So yeah, so let's go ahead and set this up outside and hook it up so you can see it in action and see if it's going to be a perfect fit for your family. Okay, so now you can see it in action here. You get lots of water. Obviously, you want to make sure it's on a flat, smooth surface. Right now, where I set it up, I kind of have a spot in the yard where it's got a little low, so I get a little pool there. But you can see, depending on how strong you use the water pressure in your hose, depends on how tall it goes. So I'd have it probably at a good medium height here, and this thing is going about 4.5 feet tall, which is great for kids running through it. Obviously, if you're having a toddler in it, you have it a little bit slower. But one of the things I want to point out is, so it has two different types of holes. So it has these little single holes, and then it has these like discs that have multiple holes on it. So you're getting multiple water kind of streams and applications here, which is great. And as you can see, the hose Just hooks up real easy to it. Not a problem there whatsoever. Of course, it's a real windy day here, so the water is blowing all over the place. And then it has this kind of fun sea life activity here. But guys, that's basically it. Like I said, pretty straightforward, pretty easy to set up, pretty easy to use, and one of the nice things, because it has that quick drainage on the bottom there, it's easy to empty out all the water out of this guy. So that is a big perk with it too. So keep that in mind when it is time to pack it away. And you see, because of the bubble, it's got a nice little pool of water in there. So yeah, a lot of fun. Both kids and dogs, your pets will love it. Your kids will love it. If there was something I didn't cover, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond, and like I said, there will be a link in the description that will take you to Amazon so you can check it out for yourself. And that is it. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.